Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday. We got Jeff.
Howdy.
I'm Robbie. Today we're making a classic for you. We're gonna do a classic mojito. To make this drink, you're gonna need the following ingredients. You're gonna need club soda, simple syrup, mint, fresh mint, limes, and most importantly, our Muddy River Silver Carolina Rum. So let's get this drink started. Jeff, what are we gonna do first? Looks like we're gonna put some mint in this glass.
Let's do some mint, yeah. Muddle some mint in the bottom of these glasses.
Let's load this thing up.
I got you. Any recommendation on how many mint leaves the viewers at home?
You know, you do this to taste. You know, there comes a point where I guess it could be too much, but I'd say, you know.
I like the fresh
eyeball it.
Botanical flavor, you know?
I do too. There comes a point too where there's just so much mint in there that it's like you're chewing on your drink.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'd say that looks good right there.
That looks good. Cool.
So we got our mint in the glass. Let's, I guess, muddle this stuff.
All right.
Yeah.
Got
Do
you.
the honors.
I got you.
So he's just pounding away at that mint, breaking up the capillaries in the leaf, getting out that juice and awesomeness. It really fills the room with
It does. It's really fragrant. Smells great.
That's a good muddler too.
Yeah, it is.
Have a muddler at home. You can use like the back end of a cooking spoon or something like that. Really anything that'll press that leaf into the drink will work just fine. All right, so we've got that in there. We are going to add 1 ounce of simple syrup to each of these. This is just inverted sugar.
It's yeah, 1 to 1 sugar and water.
All right, we've got that in there. Now we're gonna add 2 ounces of rum to each of these.
All right. I love how versatile this silver rum is.
It's huge. You can put this in anything. We don't really love vodka around here.
No.
Any of those, you know, drinks that call for that vodka, we usually
Use the
always
silver
sub out with the silver.
every time. It's just such a more depth of flavor, still clean, still crisp, what you're looking for.
Yeah, it's a liquor with quality, but still high quality.
Exactly, very high quality.
Sorry, liquor with character, but still high quality.
I'm ready to drink that.
Last thing we're gonna do before we top this with some, second to last thing we're gonna do is squeeze us some limes into it.
All right. How much?
We're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of lime per drink, and you can also do this to taste, but half a lime per drink is pretty standard issue. It's gonna give you just the right amount of flavor.
Cool, so 1/2 of a lime per drink.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
All right.
And actually the final step, top this drink with club soda.
All right.
It's a simple drink. It's a refreshing cocktail. Not too much going on, but still a lot of flavor going on. Give that a quick stir for us.
Yeah, definitely.
There you
All
have
right.
it, folks. Classic Mojito, made right here at Muddy River Distillery. Hope you like this video. The recipe will be in the description below, along with links to our website and our social media. You can see our tour schedule up there also. Come out here and see how we make the products, try them, and don't forget to ask for us in your local liquor store. Cheers to a nice summer.
Nice summer. You said yes. John Locke, you're out there. I know you are.
You are gray on gray on
I'm
gray.
grouting, dude.
Grouting hard, bro.